Hi, I am Frida with WTI, and I am so excited to show you my Moccamaster. If you guys haven't heard of Moccamaster, you're missing out. They make not only a beautiful coffee machine in all sorts of different fun colors, very streamlined, minimalistic look, but it brews an excellent cup of coffee. I really like how it pulls the water from the actual reservoir. I love watching the bubbles go up in it and seeing how quickly it's pulling the water over to my freshly ground coffee beans. I don't like having it run through all these different tubes that I worry about what kind of buildup is getting in there. I can see everything perfectly well on this. It also has an extra topper so you can take your coffee pot to go and not have any drips. It's a very simple design, so there isn't a timer on it, but I like to fill the carafe with water and grind my beans the night before, and then it doesn't actually start brewing coffee until the little button is pushed in. It's super simple. I just wake up in the morning, push the carafe in so that it activates and it starts brewing. It brews this coffee in no time at all. The first time I saw Moccamaster, I was at my friend's house and I thought the coffee was absolutely delicious. So I've been looking on Amazon to find one that I wanted, found this one, and I'm just completely in love with it. I think it looks really beautiful in my coffee station and it brews that perfect cup of coffee, and that's my point of view.